Hi, welcome to your speaking test. What is your name?
My name is
How do you...
My name is Jonas.
Hi, Jonas. And how do you feel today?
How are you?
How are you? How do you feel? Do you feel happy?
Happy.
You feel happy? Oh, that's good. And how old are you, Jonas?
How old?
How old are you? Are you 100 years old? Are you 1 year old?
1 year old.
Are you only one? I don't know about that. You look kind of 7 to me.
Yeah.
But
How
we'll
old are you?
continue. Alrighty.
Take it easy. He's nervous.
Doing a good job, Eunice. Doing a good job. Would you please read the story for me?
Read the story. How many?
How many brothers have you got? I got one brother. What is his name? His name Tom.
How?
How old is he? He is 7.
Oh, yes. Very good.
And you got a dog too. What's his name? Bowser. Hello, Bowser.
Yeah.
Yes, Tom and Bowser. My
Friend.
friend.
Wow! Wow, goodness, that was incredible! That's amazing! Great. How if Tom is 7, how old are you?
How old are you?
How old are you?
He is S.
That was the story. That
Okay.
was beautiful the way you read it.
Yeah.
I'm just-
How old are you, Jonas? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am.
I am
How old? 6 or 7 years old?
now
1 years, 8 years old. Okay.
There
Can you
you go.
say I'm 8 years old?
yes.
Can you say I am
I
8
am 8
years old?
years old.
Okay.
Very good, Jonas. Now we're going to identify our family members. Who is she?
Mother,
Can you
Good.
say she is?
father, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister.
Okay, now I want to hear job titles. I want to say he is or she is. Okay, for this next part. So,
Doctor. He is doctor.
yes, very good.
He is pilot.
Very good.
He is cook.
Very good.
He is farmer.
Yeah, very good.
He is